Wait, is this place still open, man?
I can't believe we used to come here every weekend.
I can't believe we're coming back.
It's nostalgia.
Kind of like that shirt. I haven't seen you since high school, and you're still wearing it.
Yeah, it fits nice. Did anyone else notice the C rating outside?
Are you still that anal? Take that boot.
All right.
I will not sit at a damn table. It doesn't change. They just put in new pictures.
No, it's a different menu at night, I'm telling you.
They just jack up the prices because they know this is the only option for food at this hour.
Why do you guys even look at the menu? We all order the same damn thing every time we're here.
It's not the same. I've been here during the day.
No.
Once.
Hi. That's good. Hey.
No, I'm good.
I don't think.
So, hey, I'm going to open up an owl rehabilitation center. No, really, don't laugh. I'm serious. I know this chick in Oregon. She did the exact same thing. See, these owls, they fly around at night with their eyes fixated on their prey. And they fly around in these power lines. Just paralyzed. Well, pretty much. I mean, you know, they can't fly anymore. They just kind of hop around and twitch. But it takes a lot of money. But someday, though, I'm going to open up an owl center.
Okay.
Okay.
Louis?
Lois.
Lois?
Lois.
Okay, Lois. Could I get some decaf?
Well, yeah.
Call up his ass.
They need me.
The only people that need you are at table 9. Are you still dreaming of that damn birdhouse? How are you ever going to afford that?
They're owls. It's no dream. I've got some. You know, it's a common misconception that owls can actually turn their heads all the way around. They can't. Just 3/4 the way. Woo. But their eyes are fixed, which is why they keep running into those power lines. What can I get you?
French toast.
Mozzarella sticks.
Are your vegetables organic?
Not officially.
Okay. Could I just give me a house salad, you know, dressing on the side, and could I get some dry white toast with that? And could you maybe put the tomatoes on the side? What?
That's ridiculous.
Anything else?
Yeah. How about an answer?
Oh, yeah, about the endangered species of owls.
No.
So they
More like, how is it 3 guys like that end up together in a place like this?
get all kinds, you know? Just happens.
Let's grab that booth.
Yeah.
No. That kind of shit doesn't just happen. Something's got to go down to bring those 3 together.
Hello?
Yes, Mom.
Yes, Mom.
No, I was going to, but...
There you go.
Okay, I'll take them out of the drive when I get home. Bye.
What? Do you know how many germs are on the silverware in a place like this?
I got it.
Yeah, you got, what, salmonella, E. coli, botulism?
No. Those guys, they're actors, but the out-of-work kind. Here after yet another worthless audition.
And you think I deserve this? My God, man, I studied with Stella Adler. The Stella Adler. And now what? Reduced to this.
You might as well face it, pal. You are an Indian.
Fuck you.
Guys!
Next Indian, please.
Take it easy. None of us are thrilled about being here. I mean, it's embarrassing to put on these costumes and ask, can't something give me the relief I deserve?
Seriously now, could anything be more demeaning?
Student films.
Good point.
Hey, you guys want to get something to eat after this?
Yeah, okay, but any more Indian cracks? And seriously, I'll break your neck.
Then it'll be
11 vertebrae.
what?
Humans and giraffes have 7 vertebrae, but owls have 11.
This guy is not an owl.
Yeah, I know, but if he was, you'd have a better chance. It's hard to break an owl's neck.
Wait, why would you break an owl's neck?
I never would. You know what? You're way off with that story. No actor's going to stay dressed like that after an audition. It just doesn't really happen like that.
But I didn't get to finish
You didn't need to. If you want, I can give you a much more likely version.
So the 3 guys have been hired to rob some rich fellow, but they're late, and they're lost.
That's it. I'm calling Strigaday. Who? The guy that hired us, Mr. Strigaday. Hello? No, we can't find it. We followed him. It's not there, I'm telling you. It's not.
Tell him we're lost. Will you fucking tell him we're lost?
I'm not gonna make it. I can't miss this, fellas. I need
Did you
this.
tell him we're lost? Tell him that, seriously.
Idiot! I told him. Shut up! No, not you, Mr. Strigaday. Yeah, looks like Mason and 17.
No Mason on this.
Oh yeah, we got the envelope.
I'm gonna make it.
The other guy's on the cell phone screaming, "I got what is Strigaday now!" And arguing with
up?
Yeah.
Oh, can you bring us the side of ranch?
Do you have any idea what's in that stuff?
Ranch flavors?
Relax. It's just salad dressings.
It's liquid chickens. Oil, artificial flavors. It's all designed by the government to cover up the flavor of chemically treated vegetables.
So where was I?
I was just trying to figure that out.
You were going nowhere.
Oh, and I suppose that you have a better theory.
All right, I'll play along. Okay. You know how museums have fundraisers for all their, big shot patrons? Well, this one was a masked ball. But what the patrons and donors don't know is that the museum is housing a set of rare 16th century crown jewels worth millions. And our boys, they came prepared.
Some crowd, huh?
Position 1. I got a guard at the bar.
Check.
In position. Three. 2. 1.
Sorry.
Anyway, they go down. Professionals with a perfectly executed plan, and after a flawless escape, they meet up here to wait for their inside contact.
That's good. That's real good.
Yeah, if you can believe that.
What's not to believe?
Well, those guys aren't professional anything. And even if they were, why would they rendezvous here?
I won't even eat here. Because it's just not realistic. I can give you a more believable story.
Does it involve an owl?
No.
So finally, they find the place.
These guys are sitting outside the church in this piece of crap. One of them's crying.
Mr. Strigaday said this guy is loaded. So there's one job, and we are set.
Everyone clear on what to do if something goes wrong.
Run like hell?
Not like how.
Wait.
brought these so we can keep in touch, incognito-like.
Oh, good.
Testing.
No problem here, people. Just testing the equipment.
Guys, he did say who it was, right?
It's the dead guy.
Wait, come here. Yeah, we're late, but we're here. And the family, they asked me to be, they asked us to be pallbearers for the deceased over here. So when you get ready to herd everybody out of here, you can count on us to roll his bones right on out for you.
Please join us graveside.
Hello?
Thomas, what's wrong with this thing?
Not now, Mom. I'm with my friends.
Your father and I are trying to watch a movie, but I keep pushing the wrong button and the movie
Where's my
isn't
toast?
going.
No. Mom, the play button is the one with the little triangle on its side. Bye.
So, did you ever think that they might be real?
What do you mean, real?
Like maybe they're not in costumes. Maybe this is really who they are.
So, you three will deliver my merchandise to the western United States. The captain will safely transport the goods overseas. You will store them on your reservation, free from the clutches of your drug enforcement agency. And you, clown, you will hit the streets with our product, locating our future clientele.
About a doggy.
And distributing to our contacts. That's how he delivers the drugs inside the balloon. But this time, he fills the thing too full and suddenly it pops. The parents watching. The balloon opens up and the drugs spill out on the kids. It's genius.
I think that's the ranch dressing talking.
So, Lois, what do they see in the coffin?
Go ahead.
So they pop open the coffin, and what do they see? An old prune's body covered in
The mother load.
Get the ring, get the ring. Straight A wants the ring.
Come on, you son of a bitch! Come on, you bastard! You can't take it with you. Give it up! Oh. Motherfucker! Give me the goddamn ring! Think I'm messing with you? You! Hey, lousy punk! You son of a bitch! Don't even messing with me! Relax! Relax! The Reverend will be back any second. Okay? You get the flag.
Got it. Now, quick, let's move.
Dankeschön, darling, Dankeschön. Thank you for funny cards from Spain. Central Park in fall. How you tore your dress, what a mess. I confess, that's not all.
We're gonna kill him. We're gonna die. I don't wanna die.
No. Oh, no, they're not.
Yes, Mr. Trigger Day. It was quite a story, yeah. I'm just glad we're still alive. Yeah, just like we planned. The ring in a red envelope, and we keep the rest. Yeah. No. We won't screw up anything else. Yes, Mr. Trigger Day. Tonight, at the rendezvous.
And there they sit, waiting for their man.
Are we kidding? There's no one coming.
Seriously, Lois was right earlier. Who would choose this place as a rendezvous?
It's good.
Wait, where are they going? No, come back. They're leaving.
Thanks, guys.
Shit, Dick, they're not meeting anyone.
What about the rendezvous?
It's just a story, Dick. It's just a story.
Come on, Dick. Hello?
Thomas, when are you coming home? The truck's still
Quit calling me!
Strigidae. Family classification of owls. Soon you'll fly again. It's okay.
Let's all go to the steak and eggery.
Free to fly in a land with no power lines.
Let's all go to the steak and eggery.
Soon.
You can have toast, you can have toast, you can have toast, and you can have toast. Let's all go to the steak and eggery. Let's all go to the steak and eggery. You can have toast, you can have toast, you can have toast, and you can have toast. And Cousin Flora's behind the counter. Cousin Flora will serve you with style. And Cousin Eddie's in the back. He's drinking from a sack. He's got a smile. So let's all go to the steak and eggery.